buying ice cream.
Hi, miss. Do you sell ice cream?
Hi, sir. Yes, of course. Hot day, huh?
Yes, very hot. I really want some cold ice cream.
You're in the right place. Here are the flavors: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, lemon, pistachio, and mango.
Is mango good?
Yes, it's my favorite, very refreshing.
Okay, I'll try one scoop of mango.
In a cone or in a cup?
In a cone, please.
With whipped cream?
No, thanks. Not today.
All right, one mango scoop in a cone. Here you go.
Thanks. It tastes so good.
Careful, it melts fast in the sun.
Yes, I'll eat quick. Do you have a napkin?
Sure, here you are.
Thanks. How much is it?
$2, please.
Here, I'll pay cash.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Keep the change. It's for you.
Oh, thank you very much. That's kind.
Do you work here every day?
Yes, from 10 to 6 except Monday.
Okay, I'll try another flavor tomorrow.
Great. Are you here on vacation?
Yes, for a few days. I'm from Chicago.
Welcome. Enjoy the beach.
Thanks. Well, I'll sit in the shade to eat.
Good idea. Enjoy.
Thanks for everything and have a nice day.
You too. See you again, maybe?
See you. Helping with sunscreen.
Hi, excuse me.
Hi, do you need something?
Yes, I have a small problem. I can't put sunscreen on my back.
Oh, I see. Are you here alone?
Yes, I came to the beach alone.
Do you want me to help?
If it's not a problem, that would be nice.
No problem. Do you want a lot or just a little?
A good layer, please. The sun is strong.
Yes, today it's really strong.
I burn very fast.
Don't worry. I'll do it gently.
Thanks, that's very kind.
There you go. All done. You're protected now.
Great, thanks again.
Are you here on vacation?
Yes, for 1 week. And you?
I live nearby. I come here often.
Lucky you, this beach is beautiful.
Yes, it's quiet and the water is clear.
Do you use sunscreen, too?
Yes, always. And a hat.
I forgot my hat at the hotel.
You should buy one. The sun is dangerous.
Yes, I'll be careful.
Are you staying long at the beach today?
Until maybe 5 p.m.
Then don't forget to put on more sunscreen in 2 hours.
Okay, I also have a light shirt just in case.
Very good. You're well prepared.
Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good afternoon in the sun.
Thanks. You too. Have a nice day.
Asking the time.
Hi, excuse me.
Hi, yes. Need help?
Yes, what time is it, please?
Sure. It's exactly 3 o'clock.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I meet my friends at 3:30.
Are they coming here to the beach?
No, at the cafe across the street.
Oh, yeah. The little yellow cafe.
Yes, that one. Do you know it?
Yes, they have very good juice.
Great. I'm thirsty, actually.
And are you here on vacation?
Yes, for days.
Welcome then. The weather is great today.
Yes, I'm enjoying the sun, and you, are you from here?
Yes, I live 5 minutes away.
Lucky you.
True, but I don't come every day.
Why not? Too many people?
Yes, and I work during the week.
I'm on holiday, so beat every day.
Not easy at the beach without a watch or a phone.
Yes, I look at the sun and guess the time.
Not always, right? But not bad.
Well, I'll start walking to the cafe.
You still have time. It's 3:10 now.
Thanks, that's very kind.
You're welcome. Have fun with your friends.
Thanks and have a nice day. Taking the wrong lounge chair.
Hi. Excuse me.
Hi, is there a problem?
Yes, I think I'm on your chair.
Really, this is chair number 17.
Oh no, mine is 14.
No worries, don't stress.
Sorry, I didn't check well.
It's okay, it happens a lot. The numbers are small.
Yes, and all the chairs look the same.
Have you been here long?
No, just 10 minutes.
And you already set up your things?
Yes, towel, sunscreen, sunglasses, everything.
It's fine. If you want, you can stay.
Really? Are you sure?
Yes, I have number 14 right over there.
Ah, so you took mine too.
Haha, yes, we swapped without knowing.
That's funny.
We can just switch places then.
Okay, if that's good for you.
Yes, this way we both get our own stuff back.
Perfect. I'll grab my things and move.
Me too. They're all done.
Now everything's sorted.
Thanks for being so kind.
You're welcome. It's just a chair.
But sometimes people are not that nice.
True, but hey, we're at the beach. Relax.
Are you here on vacation?
Yes, for 1 week. And you?
Me too. It's my second day.
Then enjoy the sun and relax.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too.